This is the rack-mounted LiFePO4 battery. It has 6,000 deep charge and discharge cycles life, high safety standard BMS software protection, and strong housing, with 5 years warranty. Compatible with more than 30 inverter brands. Smart LCD display. We have both white and black colors available. 51.2 V 100 Ah 150 Ah 200 Ah 280 Ah. On the main panel, the light here represents the battery SoC. This is the running indicator light. Here is the status light. Here is the I/O output, which is used for engineering power. The two front terminals are for communication with the inverter. Terminal RS-232 is used to communicate with the BMS of the battery. These two are terminals for batteries communication. RS-232 connection to computer to view and set the specifications of the BMS. Supports multiple batteries in parallel. The maximum parallel quantity is 15 PCS. We support OEM and ODM services. If you have any special requirements, feel free to reach out.